Hello everyone, I hope you're all having a great day. So in today's video, I'm not gonna lie, it's getting really cold outside, winter time is coming, faster than you think. But I'm thinking about making a video of things I think Honda should add, or they should have added to their 2024 Honda Civic Si right behind me. And hopefully they implement these things in the future generations of Honda Civic Si's and Type Rs. But hopefully everything I talk about in this video, Honda is going to implement into their newer SIs. So with that being said, my name is Kamil, and let's get right into the video. So for number one, I have split screen with music text. Now, what I mean by that, I'm about to show you, so let's get right into the car. Then we're going to click start. Okay, so now I'm in the car. So what I meant by split screen with text when you're listening to music is, let's say you have your screen right here, right? You're driving, and sometimes on your phone, I don't know if you guys know this, but Spotify and Apple Music, they have a little option where you can click on text, and when you're listening to music, you can follow along and look at the lyrics. It's going to tell you like all of the words in the song and everything. And I wish they would have put this on the screen. And I guess it's a safety thing, but you also have passengers, and if you're ever with your friends and you want to, have your song playing here in the whole entire car and you want to have text playing, that would be a really cool feature, and a lot of people definitely like that. So I'm hoping they do that in the newer generations, and I'll show you guys a video right here of me on my phone. You see I have a song picked, and I can just follow along and sing to it if I want to. Do whatever you want. I wish there was an option where you could just easily put that onto the screen, and then you could, do whatever you want. So that's one thing I wish Honda did to their cars, and hopefully they will. So if anyone from Honda is watching this, please do that. Now for number two, we have another thing that's inside the car, and that is showing the TPMS sensor and the engine temps. So Acura, basically Honda, but a more higher level car, they have all of this implemented. You have the Integra, same exact engine as this, same exact car, but they have heated seats, they have TPMS sensors showing like how much pressure is in each tire. You have engine temps and all that stuff, and the SI does not have that. Honda did not do this to the SI. I'm not sure why. This is still a really expensive car. It's not cheap, so they definitely should have done that. And hopefully, once again, they do that in the newer generations of the Civic SIs. And also, it's a safety thing. If you ever want to know if your tire pressure is low and you want to pump it up, it would be very helpful if they had it up here on the screen, which they do not, sadly. But yeah, hopefully they fix it. Now for number three, we have spare tire. So newer cars, for some reason, they do not add spare tires to the vehicles. And a lot of people say it's because they want to reduce weight, but that's really stupid because this is a SI. It has 200 horsepower. Like, that's a lot, but, it's nothing crazy. And there should be a tire in here. They shouldn't be reducing weight from a tire. And it would be right here. So we open up the trunk. Oh, and this is a floor liner that I put in. If you guys want to watch the video, it's up here. But we're going to come here through the side, lift this up, and as you can see, all that comes with the car is this pump and then that funnel for your gas. And these, I just put that in there for additional stuff, just in case I need an extra pump or whatever. But yeah, they should have added that. It is what it is. Now for number four, we have no Type-C charger in the car. A lot of newer phones, a lot of newer technologies, they all usually have Type-Cs as their ports, and the Honda Civic Si does not have that. And right here, as you can see, in the front, you only have two USB-As, and then I have my radar thing, that's the extra one, and then obviously the cigarette port. But the main reason why I'm talking about this is to show you guys the back. Inside the back, you have nothing. Don't mind the mess. But yeah, look, there's literally nothing. That's something that really annoys me. Once again, this car is pretty expensive. It's definitely not cheap. And it's a higher end Honda. It's a SI. And they did not add any charging ports in the back. That's just ridiculous. That's stupid. So hopefully the newer ones do come with that. And I think the 26 ones do come with that. So let me know if I'm wrong. Correct me. But yeah, hopefully it's there. And now for the fifth and final point, we have no heated or ventilated seats. So right now it's getting cold outside, like I said previously. And, we want to stay warm when we get into our car. Let's say we're going to work in the morning and you go into your car, you want to start it up. It's freezing and you want to, heat up the seat, maybe even the steering wheel. But these do not have that. You don't have a feature anywhere in the car to heat these seats up, or the back ones too. And the steering wheel, the Canadian versions I know have a button right here that can heat up the steering wheel. And for some reason, the Canadian versions have all of that. They have heated steering wheels, they have heated seats. I don't think they have ventilated seats, but still, they have all of that stuff. And even for this exact 24 Honda Civic Si, the Canadian versions have, I think, Type-C ports. It's really good, but for some reason, they didn't do this for the American version, which is very stupid. But, I mean, you can't really do nothing. It's still an exceptional car. I love it. But yeah, it would be nice to at least have a few ports in there, and then obviously have nice heated seats in the front, and even the steering wheel would be cool. But yeah, that'll probably be it for the video, everyone. I hope you all enjoyed it. So those are the 5 things Honda should have added to their Civics, and not sure why they didn't. So yeah, guys, I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you guys want to see next. So with that being said, I hope you all have a great day, stay safe, and don't do anything stupid. Peace out.